Ready? Cheers.
Cheers. In love with the shape of you.
So today, we're going to be doing a mystery cook-off with Arissa and Micah.
That's me.
So, what we're going to do is we're going to have a couple mystery ingredients, and then we're going to make whatever we can with said ingredients. The first ingredient is going to be a type of vegetable. So this is the one that they get to actually choose. So let's get started. All right, we've got bok choy, and we've got bell peppers of assorted variety. So, Arissa gets to go first.
Bell peppers or bok choy?
No, choy.
I've never cooked bok choy, so I'll go bell peppers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Never seen this before in person. That's actually pretty good.
Okay.
Gonna eat it like an apple?
Now.
That's a
Pomegranate?
that's a pomegranate.
Okay.
I can get jiggy with a pomegranate. I don't think there's a fruit I can't get jiggy with. Better not have a tomato under there, or so help me God.
So, for your next options, we've got a pomegranate and a mystery item. Micah, since Arissa went first, do you choose the known pomegranate, or would you like the mystery item?
Well, in situations like this, I remembered wise words my mother once said. Fuck it. I called that. I knew it was a tomato.
So I get a pomegranate?
You get a pomegranate!
Oh, hell yeah.
You get to figure out a pomegranate! Have fun!
How do you make this in? Oh, okay.
You're gonna have to figure it out! Alright, so for our starches, we have naan and a mystery item.
If that's a
Choose
potato, I get
wisely.
$1.
I'm choosing this because it has to be better than naan. It has to. Organic pasta! Dinosaurs! Oh, hell yes!
The system is rigged! I'm not even mad she got the pasta, I'm mad she got the dinosaurs.
Look, Micah, I assumed that it would not go this way, but we're going with it. Okay, next we've got ground chicken breast or a mystery item. Micah, it is your choice.
I'm thinking.
Okay.
What is it?
Traditional seitan.
Seitan.
It's seitan.
Satan? Satan.
Hello, Satan!
Are you bringing the devil in
Goodbye,
this?
Shamu. What are you? It's plant-based strips.
Yes,
Ooh, so.
but it's also called Satan. I figured you'd have fun with it. It's traditional Satan.
Here, just...
Lord, I do apologize.
I'm making the vegetarian dish, alright?
Evidently. I mean, I don't have any other meats.
Yeah, I think now would be a good time since we've done our bullshit.
Yeah.
Where you present the rules of, the rules of the challenge. Doobie this.
Doobie this, doobie doo.
Scooby Dooby Doo. Where are you?
Okay.
Not in this video. Copyright.
Okay. So, the rules are pretty simple. The first challenger is going to make their dish, and the second one has to either meet or beat that time, just to make it a little bit more challenging on both ends. And you're allowed to use any ingredients that you can find.
Can we find ingredients in a store?
Or does it have to be from the kitchen? Because that
I
will
feel
change
like-
everything of how I'm doing this.
Yeah.
I feel like if you'd have to go to the store, we either have to have a budget or a time limit. Otherwise, you can make literally three things unrelated to all of these.
Yeah, so.
This is up to
I would very
you
much
guys.
like to go to the store
Okay.
because I don't have seasonings for half the stuff there. I don't keep those seasonings on hand.
So is it a budget or is it a time thing?
I think it would be better to set a limitation on the type of things we're allowed to buy. Like, you're only allowed to get things that will accent your ingredients, not other main ingredients.
Okay, so the rules are You have to make your dishes with all of the ingredients. You can't just not use any, or else your score will be deducted very highly. You can add anything you'd like to this dish as long as it's an accent versus another main component. Flavorings, seasonings, garnishes, all that stuff is completely allowed. You're allowed to go to the store so long as you follow those rules.
Okay.
Understood.
If you have the stuff in the fridge or the pantry, it's kind of fair game.
Okay, cool. Cool. You good?
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm chilling.
I'm not. Well,
This could have gone very differently. All right, now it's time to get cooking.
I'll see the loser circle.
Jesus.
you'll see me there, so you'll be there too.
Yeah.
Everybody's losing.
Loads.
Everybody's losing today.
Woo! Alright, so my ingredients were ground chicken, bell peppers, pomegranate, and dinosaur pasta. For the main dish, I'm going to be making a Cajun pasta. So right now I have the water going. This is how I have it set up. I have a bunch of seasoning already prepared, a green onion, and then I have my chicken in this bag with some Cajun seasoning on it. Yeah, this is where we're at. And then we have the water going. And then I have a pan and I have the butter here. How am I gonna set this up for chopping? Is that good enough? Can you see the chop action? I have the pomegranate already sliced in half right here. So now I'm just gonna cut up some bell peppers as we wait for the water to boil. So we're supposed to do it into strips, but since my pasta is dinosaur, I think I'll make them a little bit smaller, like that. Yeah, we'll do that. If you can't tell by these awesome knife skills, I don't know how to cook. Ooh. These are all uneven. It's wonderful. It's fine. It's fine. Question, what did I do wrong? Answer, start cooking. Walked into the kitchen. These are all uneven. They're gonna cook so unevenly. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. It's wonderful. It's fun. It's great. There is 12 cups of water inside of that pot, so it's going to take quite a while for it to start boiling, which is really good because I suck at chopping things up. Last bell pepper. Woo. Clean as food. So there's that, all prepped and ready. So in a large 12 cups, salt optional, add pasta. So the whole pasta. Okie dokie. I'm gonna get these cooked, the noodles cooked before I start any of the other stuff. But for the pomegranate part of this dish, I already pre-made some pomegranate ice cream. And then I also have a pomegranate sorbet in here, which it doesn't really look like much. So we'll see how these go. 2 options for the pomegranate. We'll see. We'll see how they like it. I'm going to be topping off the dessert with some actual pomegranate seeds. Haven't had one of those in a while. So I'm gonna start this one now. I'm not used to cooking, therefore I don't know what I'm doing. That's what we're working with right now. The water is almost to a roaring boil, and the butter is melting nicely. I should have cut it in half, but I didn't think about it. And we're gonna start the noodles. All right, perfect. So I'm gonna start chicken in here. Mix this up. Put the chicken in. Oh. I prepared everything well except for this part. Ew! And yes, I have way too much chicken. I didn't think this through. I need a spatula for this part. Oh wow, this cooks really fast. I should have done the pasta first. Oops. I'm gonna add some of these. This was way too much chicken for this pan. And then some of this. Some of this. I'm gonna check the noodles. No, not all. Everything's getting everywhere. Oh no. I have too small of a pan. So I may have went a little crazy with the chicken. Just may so happen to have done that. I think the noodles are done. I think so. I'm not sure. How are noodles supposed to taste? Here, it's gonna be hot though.
You're planning to hand it to me?
Yeah, here.
Okay, so stop. You have a spoon?
There you go.
We have spoons.
I think the texture's good.
Yeah, this is good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Cool. There we go. I don't think I was supposed to make this much pasta to sauce ratio.
You did not have to make all of the pasta.
Well, I did. I used every single amount of the ingredients. And now we're just gonna put a little bit of Parmesan all up in there. Ooh, look at that.
I don't know what it is, but it looks delicious.
Good. As long as it looks delicious. That's all that matters.
I mean, I have to taste it.
Ooh.
It smells good.
Okay.
It smells really good and looks really good.
Now I need to plate them. This is my dish. I made it. It's a Cajun pasta. It's yummy. I hope.
She hopes, she says.
I think that's the most concerning sentence she's said thus far.
Ooh, it's actually good.
Confidence. It looks really nice.
That doesn't sound too good.
It definitely has a lot of spices in it. It's got a lot of flavor. I mean, I can't really falter for this, but the pasta doesn't really match the rest of the dish. But I mean, to be fair, I kinda chose that one. But no, this is really good. It's a solid dish.
So, it's a chicken cheese with bell peppers?
It's a Cajun pasta.
Cajun pasta. Where's the
Okay.
Cajun? Inside the chicken?
Yeah. You can't really taste it because of the creaminess, but it's like a southern dish, so it's like a comfort food type thing.
Yeah, there's a lot of spice in the chicken, but then the sauce that the pasta is in makes it very creamy, and it blends really well together, but it definitely it doesn't keep both of the flavors.
Have you tried the bell peppers yet?
No, because I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
They're such big pieces of bell pepper. Well, it tastes like bell pepper.
Yeah, it is a bell pepper.
Yeah.
If you have it all together, though, it's not really coherent together.
This is the pomegranate dish. It's
Okay.
pomegranate ice cream.
Let me. Oh yeah, there's definitely pomegranate.
Give me ice cream. I'm just gonna stab it until
Yeah,
it works.
Exactly, that's what I was doing.
This is really good.
It is really good, right?
This is really good.
All right.
It's got a good creaminess to it, and it has the pomegranate flavor, which is nice, because that can easily go away in an ice cream. That was really good, and this is really good.
Thank you. I tried really hard on that one.
I wasn't sure how she was gonna do the ground chicken, but I like how it turned out.
Oh yeah, ground chicken came out really well. The first bite, I gotta say, was a little much. Because, like...
Chicken? Yeah, they're big chunks.
No, like, not like big chunk size and like the spices in it, which is just a little more than I was expecting, considering that there's not really any spice to the
Noodles.
pasta. So it's like, it was a sudden, like... whoop.
Yes, the pasta is a very creamy taste, and the chicken is a very seasoned. It's got a lot of seasoning in it. I don't think it's super spicy, but it's got more of a kick to it than what the pasta suggests. And the bell peppers taste like bell peppers.
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Woo! I don't really know what to say there. They're a bit of a strange texture with the rest of the textures.
Yeah.
The noodles?
Because the noodles are...
No, the bell peppers.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But the bell peppers with the chicken and the noodles is just a strange combination. It tastes good. All the things taste good.
But separately.
So
They are separate things all in one.
So I must say I like it when it's the chicken and the pasta together, but not the bell pepper, chicken, and pasta. But I also like the chicken and the the bell peppers without the pasta.
See, I think I messed up on the bell peppers. I think I should have cooked them a little bit longer to make them more, like, not as hard.
Yeah, they're definitely crunchy.
Yeah. Whoops!
Okay.
So that's the sorbet of how much I can get out. That one is very, very sweet.
The sorbet?
Yeah.
Holy crap!
Yeah. There's nothing but sugar. Oh! Woohoo!
So that's some hummingbird feeder with some pomegranate flavoring.
But yeah, this is my only dish that I will ever make.
I mean, didn't you make the Oreo lasagna?
Yeah.